Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. December 8th, we observe Charter Day. Here the full form of SARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. And there are total 8 member countries in this SARC. They are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And this SARC Charter Day is observed every year on 8th of December, and this year it marks the 37th anniversary of the regional group, where on this day it was where this is adopted in Dhaka during the first summit of this group in the year 1985. And the main focus of this day is to work collectively to promote the welfare of people in region and to improve the standard of living through social progress and economic development, where the headquarters of SARC is at Kathmandu, Nepal, and the Secretary General of SARC is Yesala Ruwan Virakun. Next one. FICCI appoints Sanjeev Mehta as its president. Here the full form of FICCI is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, where FICCI has announced Sanjeev Mehta as its chairman and the managing he appointed as its president, where he served as the chairman and the managing director of HUL, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Before here the Mehta was also is also the senior vice president at the FICCI, and now he became the president of FICCI, where the Secretary General of FICCI is Arun Chawla, and it is headquartered at New Delhi, which is founded in the year 1927. Next one. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank named Itira Davis as its MD and CEO. The Ujjivan Small Finance Bank has appointed Davis as its managing director and the chief executive officer of the bank, where he will continue in this position for the upcoming 3 years, and he was MD and CEO of Ujjivan Financial Service Limited since 2018, where he also previously worked with the Citibank in India and the Arab Bank Group in the Middle East, where the headquarters of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is in Bangalore, which is founded in the year 2004. Next one. He is a changemaker program launched by the National Commission for Women, that is NCW. Here, the chairperson of NCW, Rekha Sharma, has launched this program called She is a Changemaker, and this program is for women representatives at all levels of Gram Panchayat to Parliament members. And this program is to improve the leadership skills of grassroots women political leaders. Here, the chairman of NCW is Rekha Sharma, and it is founded in the year 1992. Next one. PNB launched a PNB Pride CRMD module app for differently abled employees. And the Punjab National Bank has launched this module tool on the Android based app. It is an Android based application for differently abled employees to monitor and effectively follow up with the special mention account borrowers, where this module will help in talkback software that allows the visually impaired to access the system freely and to interact with customers by tapping on their phones. Here, the MD and CEO of PNB is SS Mallikarjun Rao, which is headquartered in New Delhi, and it is founded in the year 1894, where the tagline of Punjab National Bank is the name you can bank upon. Next one. PM Modi inaugurated Thought Leadership Forum on FinTech called Infinity Forum. Next, here if you see, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated this leadership forum called Infinity Forum, and the purpose of this forum is to bring together business and technology talent from around the world, where this was hosted by the Gift City and the Blue Gifts. This was sorry. This event was hosted by IFSCA, that is International Finance Services Center Authority, under the Gift City and Bloomberg, where it is the first edition of this forum. And in this, Indonesia, South Africa, and the UK are the partner countries in this forum. And the theme for this the theme which is focused in this event is beyond. Next one, repo rate unchanged for the ninth consecutive time. RBI MPC, that is RBI, the Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy Committee has revised its has made unchanged in the repo rate and all the rates in the banking sector, where the repo rate is at 4 percentage and the reverse repo is 3.35, where the MSF, that is marginal standing facility, is at 4.25 and the bank rate is at 4.25, where the CRR is at 4 percentage and the SLR is at 18 percentage. Here the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das, which is headquartered in Mumbai, and it is founded in the year 1935, where the central bank has last revised this policy rate in the month of May in 2020, and till now it has unchanged its repo rate, and it is the ninth consecutive time. Next one, the 11th edition of joint military exercise Equivalent 21 between India and Maldives held at Kadudu Island in Maldives. Here, this is the 11th edition of the joint military exercise between India and the Maldives, and this exercise enhanced the synergy and the interoperability between the armed forces of the both nations, where this exercise is conducting since 2008. Here, the equivalent means friends in the Divevi language, which is an Indo-Aryan language which is spoken in India, Lakshadweep, and Maldives. Next one, a book titled The Midway Battle, Modi's Roller Coaster Second Term, authored by Gautam Chintamani. Here, this book titled The Midway Battle, which is authored by Gautam Chintamani, and it is launched by the Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu. And this book is published by Bloomsbury India at Uparashtrapati Niwas, New Delhi. And this book mentions the political scenario of India, where it marks in which it marks the second tenure of the current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next one, Nilmani Phukan Jr. and Damodar Mauzo received Jnanpith Award. Here, the Nilmani, who is an Assamese poet, and Damodar, who is a Konkani novelist, has received their 56th and the 57th Jnanpith Award respectively, and it is the country's highest literary award called Jnanpith, which is given especially for the writers for their outstanding contributions to literature. And this award is presented by the Bharatiya Jnanpith Award organization to the Indian writers every year. Next one, Indian American mathematician Nikhil Srivastava awarded the first Cyprian Foesis Prize in Operator Theory by the American Mathematical Society, that is AMS. Here Nikhil Srivastava, who is an associate professor of mathematics at University of California, Berkeley, and he was awarded the first Cyprian Foesis Prize in Operator Theory. And he teaches at the University of at the UC Berkeley along with Adam Mascus and Daniel Spellman. And these two people were also awarded this first Cyprian Foesis. And this award consists of $5,000 will be given to the Nikhil Srivastava for his work in developing and introducing techniques to understand the characteristic polynomial of matrices, including iterative sparsification. Next one, Russia defeated Croatia to win Davis Cup Tennis Tournament 2021. Here, this David Cup final, which held in the Madrid, Spain, is won by the Russian Tennis Federation by defeating the Croatia in Madrid, Spain. And this lead over Croatia is the first time David Cup title which is won by Russia since 2006. Next one, India's first woman psychiatrist Sharada Menon passes away. Here, the Sharada Menon, who is a receiver of the Padma Bhushan award, and she is the first woman psychiatrist in India and also the longest serving head of the Institute of Mental Health, Recently, she was passed away, and she was also honored with the Padma Bhushan in the year 1992 for her social works. Next one. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.